Well, we got rained out. It's been showering off and on for the last 24 hours. And so now comes the certainly non-glamorous side of the job. Every chase bin load gets a sample, like that for canola, or that for barley. And we've got to run them through the protein / oil tester thing. And just record all the details from everything just so I know exactly what's in the bag. On the barley and wheat, if the screenings and test weights on the line for the grade it's going into, I'll also go through and do all them as well. But from what I can gather, the barley's all up to scratch, so I won't do screenings or test weight for that. I'll just run through and make sure the protein's not too high on that because it's all going malt. Yeah, so this is what we're doing. So we got sample 4G, goes into the container. We're currently sampling 4F, and it's doing its thing. That's our oil, that's our moisture, 5.6, and the oil is 41.4. So we enter in 5.6 and 41.4. Take the sample, dip it into the bag, get the new one, which is 4G, dip that in, 3, bit overfilled. Get the machine running. That's where the samples are going. Hit 4G next to it to start the process again. And get the next one, 4H. And now we get to wait for the machine. Well, that's not ideal. Since the last video, we got going harvesting for a day and managed to finish off the canola. Then it was too moist to go on with the wheat, so we screwed around getting a few things organised and did an up and back on the wheat yesterday and filled the chase bin up, and then got rained out and the header broke down. But yeah, so we wouldn't have been able to be harvesting yesterday afternoon, but we got it rained out anyway, so it all worked out well. The header's all fixed now. Today I've just got to run over a few tractors and get them fixed and sorted, because still haven't fixed the problem with the original chaser bin tractor. It's just needs a switch finishing off, being changed out on that. Yeah, so that's what's on today. Oh, and going to look what water's lying around the bag sites. Just, yeah, make a note of where it's lying on where we've got to put bags yet, because if there's water lying there, I won't put bags on them, because there's one main one that has all been redone, so I've got to just check that. It's been roughly a week, a bit more I think, since I last filmed. We ended up getting like 65 to 70 mil of rain, so we've been stopped. And I've just been doing maintenance and fixing up everything that's broken. So yesterday the moisture was 16.7 at the first test, and the last test at 7:30 last night it was down to 13.5, so hopefully it goes today. This morning I've got to empty that chaser bin. It's got some 12.5 stuff in it from before the rain of moisture, and GoPro batteries 50%, and it died from low battery. Anyway, this morning we've got to empty that out. It's got some 12.5 or 12.6% moisture stuff from before the rain, and some 13.5 stuff from yesterday. So yeah, we'll go start a bag off. We usually have two people to start a bag, so not sure how this will go, but should be fine. steering here. So we're keeping nice and straight. And that's it, 32 tonne in the bag. Bag started, that's the hardest part of the job. From now on you should be able to just set your pressure at the bag and drive along with it. That started pretty well. Wind the brakes up. Get a sample out, but sample might be no good because it might be full of water and full of canola and we're on wet. Yeah, full of canola. We're real good with that clean outs around here. Taking our sample, put the brakes on, we're done. Get out of here. She's been a busy morning, just getting things organised, waiting for the moisture to come down. It started at 13:08, I think, at 11 o'clock, and now it is almost 2 o'clock and it's almost 12:05, but we're up it anyway. And we're ripping it off. Yeah, jump between 30 and 50 tonne an hour. Yeah, she's coming off, it's good. Camera's covered in wheat. Hasn't come over the side yet. Bin driver's nearly here. Hey, Joel.